Peppermint Tea Latte offers a delightful blend of flavors that is both soothing and invigorating. With its rich and creamy texture, this beverage has quickly gained popularity among tea enthusiasts. But did you know that beyond its taste, it comes packed with amazing benefits for your health and well-being? Get ready to discover why you should make peppermint tea latte a part of your routine. Many people struggle to find a drink that is both indulgent and beneficial. Coffee can sometimes cause jitters, while sugary drinks often lead to energy crashes. Peppermint tea latte, however, provides a refreshing alternative that not only satisfies your cravings but also supports your health. Its unique combination of peppermint and creamy milk makes it a comforting choice for anyone looking to unwind or re-energize. What makes peppermint tea latte so special? First, peppermint is renowned for its digestive benefits. It can help soothe an upset stomach and reduce bloating. Additionally, the natural menthol in peppermint leaves promotes relaxation, making it an excellent stress reliever. When combined with warm milk, this tea becomes a comforting remedy for cold days or restless evenings. Peppermint tea latte is also packed with antioxidants that may boost your immune system and protect your body from harmful free radicals. The highlight of this drink lies in its versatility and benefits. Not only does it support digestion and relaxation, but it may also freshen your breath and improve focus. For those seeking a dairy-free option, substituting almond or oat milk still delivers the same creamy experience without compromising its benefits. Whether you're winding down after a long day or looking for a refreshing mid-morning pick-me-up, peppermint tea latte fits perfectly into any moment. To sum up, peppermint tea latte is more than just a tasty drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can easily become a comforting part of your day. From aiding digestion to reducing stress and enhancing your focus, it checks all the boxes for a wholesome beverage. Don't miss the chance to incorporate this fantastic drink into your lifestyle. Try brewing a peppermint tea latte today and experience its amazing benefits firsthand. If you enjoyed learning about this drink, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more healthful tips and recipes.